So anxiety for pet, usually because they cannot tell you, right? So you only can observe them. So when, especially like you said earlier, if something drop, they get panic, right? Like a loud voice. Or if there's firework, they would scream and they would cry and they would find somewhere to hide. And with all this firework, they can get panic. But because we're not at home, we don't see them, so we don't know, okay? So what I normally do is I would turn on some TV and have some sounds and music and something. So you know that your pet is like certain kind of show, like certain kind of TV. I just turn it on and then I just let them sit there and watch. And then we go out and then make sure the TV is always on. So let's say if any kind of firework, it just boom, but it distracts them. But then they like, oh, my movie's here. And then they focus on the movie. So they don't have that kind of fear, God, the whole house all by myself, all these sounds, and then my parents not home, and they have that kind of fear.